We're going to print a life-sized Majora's Mask from Legend of Zelda.
Wait, haven't you already printed this before?
Well, yeah, but I printed it in white and had to spend hours painting it. Today we're going to print it in multicolor. The mask is a little too big for our printer, so I first cut it down the middle.
If we were painting the mask by hand, we could hide the interfaces by post-processing, but that's not possible with a multicolor print. In this case, we'll try hiding the interfaces within the wood grain pattern and along the black part of the horns.
Now for the fun part. It's time to assign the colors.
Remember, the current version of Bambu Studio erases all your painting after you use the cut tool, so make sure you're happy with your cuts before you start painting.
Majora's Mask has 9 different colors.
Our Bambu printer has 2 AMS units, which means we can print with up to 8 filaments at once. It's a good thing we cut off the top horns because that's where the 9th color is.
Almost there and done! Looks pretty good, don't you think?
That looks great! Let's slice it. What? It's going to take 4 days to print? And 1 kilogram of purge waste? That's an entire roll of filament. And that's only for half the mask.
But just think about how cool it's going to look.
But what are we supposed to do for 8 days?
I'm sure we'll think of something to do. For now, let's start the print. Wow, it looks so cool!
I will admit, I am impressed that the Bambu made 6,000 filament changes over 8 days without running into any problems.
All we have to do now is glue it together. I'll use 3D glue to attach the pieces together.
Be careful now, don't want to mess up at the end.
Phew! Oh, I can't forget the horns. There, it's all done. If you want to print your own, we uploaded the 3MF file to Printables. It has all the painting information, so you can print one exactly like this.
We also have a 2-color version in case you want to print that instead. Nova, did you hear that?
Oh no! Run!
What have we done?